Hello, Business 600A. This is Professor Hassey. It's our week 2 introduction video for our class scheduled for Monday evening at 6 p.m., June 14th. And today is Sunday, June 13th. I'm speaking to you from Getting Warmer, Claremont, California. Our topic this week is business transactions, recording the actual business events into journal entries, general ledger, and the trial balance, the very basics of accounting transactions and the accounting language. We'll be looking at a sample exercise problem in class on Monday. We'll be looking at exercise 2-8 on page 70. If any of you would like to take a gander at that prior to our class, please feel free. Then I'll be giving you an assignment, and I'll show you where that assignment is. It's already posted into Blackboard. I'd like you to do 2 problems due next Sunday, June 20th at midnight, problems 2 and 7A at the end of the chapter. These 2 problems practice journal entries, general ledger, and trial balance. Also, you have a second grade this week, your professor meetings. I have scheduled and put up a schedule for this Monday through Tuesday, various times. I'd like you to go into the Blackboard, into the discussion forum, select and create a thread and tell me which time and date is good for you. I have already received 4 students' requests, and they're already posted in the discussion forum. So please pick a time and a date. This is a graded 5% of your grade assignment, class participation. So please select a time. If none of those times are available to you and your own personal schedule, please let me know and we can adjust that to fit your schedule. All right. First of all, we're going to take a look at an introduction video to our week this week. Let's take a look at this. This is a video that is prepared by our publisher and the author of this textbook to introduce Chapter 2.
Hi, I'm Paul Kimmel. In this chapter, you're going to learn about the financial reporting process. The financial reporting process is that process that actually produces the numbers that are used to prepare financial statements. Why is this important? Suppose you wanted to invest in Walmart. Walmart could provide you with the billions of transactions that occurred in the last year. This would not be very useful. Instead, the accounting recording process accumulates the information about Walmart's transactions and groups it in a meaningful way. The accounting recording process is referred to as the double entry system. It uses things called debits and credits. This course is about a lot more than just debits and credits, but in order to do well in the rest of the course, you need to become very comfortable with debits and credits. If you practice, debits and credits will become very second nature to you. That will enable you to focus on those things that are more important in subsequent chapters.
So let's take a look at a couple of key areas of our Blackboard that you need to be aware of in preparation for this coming week number 2 of accounting and finance. First of all, as I indicated earlier in our discussion forum, you now have a week 2 schedule of possible interviews with me, times and dates with me for about 5 and 10 minutes. As you can see, some students have already selected their times and I have posted them. I'll be doing this throughout the day today, Sunday, keeping it up to date so you know what times are available in the coming week. Remember, this is a graded assignment. Here's the link that you will click on at your appointed time. And just to go over and talk about the course and answer any questions or concerns you may have. Here's our week number 2. Oh, by the way, let me go further down the discussion forum. Still have one student yet to post to their bio and select a company to monitor this year, this term, a Fortune 500 company. So if you have yet to do that, please select your company and post your bio. And I have already posted many of the grades already for this work. If you go to week number 2 in our file folder, there's in our in-class review this week, which will be covering exercise 2-8 on page 70. We'll be talking about that Monday evening. Here's a PowerPoint and an outline of the chapter 2. And here's your first assignment of this term. This is 2 problems that I would like you to put together and finish, and also post them by next Sunday. That's not June 220, it's June 20th, next Sunday at midnight. Now here's the good thing. I've put together 2 files that you can download. The first file is the actual PDF. God, I had a tough time spelling words this Sunday. Holy moly. The PDF of the actual work problems from the textbook that you can download and have if some of you have yet to purchase a text. Also, a worksheet. This is the file you will do all your work on for this assignment. All right. It's a worksheet in Excel. If you have Mac numbers, you can convert that from the Excel file to the Mac numbers. So, but this is the file I want you to download and put all your work into. And we'll talk about that in our class on Monday. All right. Remember professor meetings. Remember we have chapter 2 this week. And so I look forward to speaking with you all. Let me bring up the agenda one more time. There we go. We're learning about business transactions this week, beginning some problem work, and making sure we're up to speed and engaged in what we're doing this summer term. Thanks, everybody. Have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you tomorrow night. Adios.